In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image on Higgsfield for free. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get a result quickly, whether you're starting from a photo or writing a prompt from scratch. First, open your web browser and go to the Higgsfield website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an image icon there. Think of it like a small picture thumbnail. Move your cursor over that image area to reveal the quick options available. When the options appear, click on Create Image. This takes you to the main workspace where you decide how you want to begin. You have two simple choices. You can upload a photo or you can type a prompt. If you're uploading a photo, choose a clear, well-lit image so the system has good detail to work with. Avoid overly dark or blurry shots because the quality of your input often influences the quality of the output. If the file name is long or contains special characters, don't worry, that typically won't affect the result. If you'd rather type a prompt, be as specific and descriptive as possible. A good prompt usually includes the subject, the style or vibe you want, and any key details that matter to you, like colors, lighting, or mood. For example, you might describe the setting, the time of day, or whether you want something realistic, stylized, or minimal. Short, clear phrases work well. If your first try is too simple, add a detail or two. If it's too long, trim it to the essentials so the system focuses on what matters. Once you've either uploaded your photo or finished typing your prompt, click on Generate Free. The system will start processing right away. This can take a moment depending on your connection and how complex the request is. While it's working, just let it run. There's no need to refresh the page. When the processing finishes, your new image will appear on the screen. That's it, you're done. If the result looks great, you've successfully created an image on Higgsfield for free. If it's not quite what you had in mind, don't worry. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Try refining your prompt with one or two clearer details, or switch to a different photo with better lighting or a simpler background. A little experimentation is normal and often leads to the look you want. Thanks for watching. Now you know the quickest path. Go to Higgsfield, hover over the image icon at the top right, click Create Image, choose Upload or Prompt, and hit Generate Free. Enjoy creating.